Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Earth. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type earth.google.com. Here, a new interface will come. You will see the Earth on Google. Here, you can click the mouse and move the Earth. In the right side, there is a option that fly to your location, and select and drag drop and enter street view. Then you have 3D or 2D view, and lastly you have navigation option. You can reset the navigation from here. You can also zoom in and zoom out from here. If you click on the globe on the right side, then it will move. Also the screen will. In the left side of menu button, you can search Voyagers, project, map style, photos, setting, feedback, help, etc. Here in the quick tools option, you can search the place you want. From here, you can see the Voyagers like the place around the world. From I am feeling lucky button, you can randomly go to any place you want. Here in the project button, you can start a project or open a project from your computer. Here in the map style clean option, you can see no border, label, place or roads. In the exploration option, you can see place, border, roads, label, etc. In the everything option, you can all border, label, place, roads, transit, landmark and water is here. You can also custom how do you want to look like your map. And you can also turn on the 3D building or turn off the 3D building. You can also animate the clouds or turn on the grid lines. Here you can find the distance or measure the distance from here to here, how long it is. From here you can add place mark to the place you want, and draw line or shape option, you can draw line or shape from this button, and a new project will start. So that's all about Google Earth. If you like this video, keep the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.